In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDC to USDT using the OKX platform. By following these steps, you will be able to perform the conversion quickly and efficiently. First, navigate to the OKX website or open the OKX mobile application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during the process. Once you are on the main screen of OKX, locate the trade section, which is typically found in the navigation menu. Click on Trade to proceed. After selecting Trade, you will be directed to the trading interface. Look for the option labeled Convert. This option is designed specifically for simple currency conversions. Once you find it, click on Convert to access the conversion tool. In the conversion tool, you will see two fields labeled From and To. In the From field, click on the drop-down menu to select the currency you want to convert from. Choose USDC from the list of available currencies. Next, move to the To field and click on the drop-down menu again. This time, select USDT as the currency you wish to convert to. Now that you've specified both currencies, you need to enter the amount of USDC you wish to convert. Type the desired amount into the designated input field. Ensure that the amount you enter is within your available balance to prevent any errors during the conversion process. Once you have entered the amount, look for the Convert button, usually located below the input fields. Click on Convert to initiate the conversion. The system will process your request, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the conversion is complete. In most cases, this process is instant and incurs no fees, making it a cost-effective option for your transactions.